Show me question number 2. Right. Hi, sir. Capital of Karnataka is Punjab.
Right, no time, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sham, show me question number 5.
Prime, the teacher is looking.
It's okay, no problem. Copy fast. Thank you, teacher. Show me Sham fast. Excuse me. Can you give me the pencil? Thank you so much. Hey, Mole, what is going on over there? You both are copying. No, sir, we are not copying. I did not have a pencil for drawing the diagram, and he was a nice enough student to give me the pencil. Oh, pencil? Okay, no problem. But if you wanted pencil, why you did not ask me? I have so many pencils. One pencil, two pencil. You want a grey color pencil? I have all kinds of pencils I have. You want anything, come from me. I will give you whatever you want.
Excuse me, can you give me a pencil also?
What is going on in the back over there?
Sir, I also asked for a pencil.
Why can't you bring your own pencil? What is this? You are copying. You are not asking for pencil. Give your paper here and get out of the class.
But sir...
Mone, no ifs and buts. Get out of the class.
Ma'am, I did not understand this question.
Which question? Can you read it for me?
Explain Newton's third law of motion using quantum physics.
What is there to not understand? The question is very simple. Explain the Newton's third law of motion using quantum physics, which means you have to use quantum physics to explain the third law of Newton's motion.
Thank you. What about question number 4?
Everything in the question paper is from the portion. If you studied properly, you would have understood everything. Don't ask me any more doubts. No, that is wrong.
Don't look here and there. Look into your paper and write. Wasting your time.
You forgot this book in the staff room. How are you? I'm good. I'm good. Where were you yesterday? I didn't see you.
I was busy, too much spending time with husband. I was busy nowadays,
Did you hear? Shweta, that English teacher.
What happened?
She divorced her husband.
Oh,
Yeah. She's having an affair with the school peon.
Raju!
Yeah, Raj.
Oh my
You want someone?
Yeah, for school goes now.
Hisham, I told you don't look left and right. What you're looking left and right? Look into your paper and write.
Ma'am, why are you walking so much? Go and sit. Have some rest.
No, I want to lose weight. That's why I'm walking. Show me question number 4.
I want pin drop silence in the class. Zubair, keep quiet.
Yes, ma'am.
I said keep quiet. Keep quiet. I said keep quiet. Keep quiet. Zubair, keep quiet. I said keep quiet.
No problem, man, no problem. Next time we'll go somewhere else and we will not waste that much money. It is okay, man, no problem, let it be. Boys, you have 2 hours and 55 minutes left. I am in the school only. Today is exam, nothing to do. The students are. Everyone, please look into your papers. Concentrate on the exam. Focus, dedication. You all have to have nice marks. You all are bright future students. Yeah, nothing like that. All are dumb and stupid only. But you have to motivate them like this. Boys, 2 hours and 50 minutes left. Write fast. You tell me what is your plan for the weekend. Hey, Mane, write fast. Don't look here and there. When it comes to exam, you will write it slowly and then say lengthy paper, lengthy paper. Okay. Mane, you also write fast. Boys, you have 2 hours, 49 minutes, 28 seconds left. Write fast. Okay.